Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of flip. You will click on settings. In this list you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about flip app and you will click. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.